From the very first moment the Mercedes-Maybach SL 680 Monogram Series comes into view, you know this is not just another luxury roadster. It's a statement piece, a bold blend of heritage, craftsmanship, and sheer automotive theater. This car takes the classic SL formula and injects it with Maybach's unmistakable philosophy. Elevate everything. Make every detail a showcase. Make every surface a piece of art. And as we go through this masterpiece from every angle, you'll see exactly why this model stands apart in the world of open-top grand touring. The front immediately sets the tone. The Maybach grille, wide and imposing, catches the light with its chrome vertical strakes, giving the face a jewelry-like sparkle. The iconic Maybach emblem glows with illumination, turning the road ahead into a catwalk rather than highway. The headlights are sculpted with precision, detailed with rose gold accents, and shaped to look both elegant and modern. As you move closer, the long, drawn-out hood becomes more impressive, flowing like a smooth wave into the windscreen. It's a design that feels intentional, imposing yet graceful, powerful yet undeniably artistic. But the real shock comes when your eyes land on the roof. The fabric soft top carries a fully embossed Maybach monogram pattern. Hundreds of double M logos stitched across the entire surface. It's bold, unapologetic, and unlike anything else on the market. When you lower the roof, the exterior doesn't lose its drama. Instead of back seats, you get an aerodynamic rear deck with twin muscle-like bulges, each one covered in the same raised monogram pattern. It's an expression of Maybach's identity, turned into exterior sculpture. Moving to the side profile, the SL 680 Monogram Series retains the Roadster silhouette. Long hood, short rear, muscular stance, but with richer visual flair. Chrome lines outline the window frames, the side skirts, and the fender details. The wheels themselves are polished to perfection, designed specifically for this monogram model. Under sunlight, the multi-layer paint finishes shimmer like liquid metal, whether it's a deeper red ambience theme or the milky white ambience. Both color packages feel less like car paint and more like fashion house finish. At the rear, the car maintains the SL elegance but adds Maybach softness. The taillights glow with a smooth, futuristic signature, while chrome strips and sculpted lines give the back an unmistakably premium personality. The quad exhaust tips, neatly integrated, remind you that beneath all this luxury is a proper performance machine. Opening the door, you step into a cabin that feels hand-tailored. The first thing you notice is the leather. Crystal white Nappa leather stretches across the seats, dashboard, armrests, and door panels. The stitching is elegant, detailed, almost couture-like. Maybach logos are carefully embossed into the headrests, the seat backs, even the pedals. Chrome trim surround every control, blending with piano black accents and soft ambient lights around the cabin. The steering wheel is two-tone, wrapped in leather that feels buttery soft, giving you a perfect mix of elegance and grip. The screens add a modern touch without overwhelming the handcrafted feel. The driver's display sits behind a glass panel, offering a crystal-clear readout of performance data. The center touchscreen is angled perfectly toward the driver, floating above the console like a luxury tablet. It carries Maybach-specific animation themes and even a unique startup sequence that showcases the double M emblem. As you settle in, the comfort features begin to speak for themselves. Neck warmers create a cozy bubble when the roof is down. The massaging seats adapt to your posture. The Burmester high-end audio system surrounds you with rich, studio-quality sound. Even the ambient lighting feels like a personal stage setup, with dozens of colors and patterns designed to enhance the driving mood. Wireless charging, fingerprint access, high-resolution maps, and AI-driven assistant features all come together to create a seamless, luxurious experience. But this car is not only about luxury. Under that long, sculpted hood lies a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 that produces power worthy of a grand tourer. The engine delivers a deep, confident surge of acceleration, giving the car a strong, smooth launch from any speed. The 9-speed automatic transmission shifts with precision, moving between gears quietly and effortlessly unless you push it, in which case it becomes more aggressive, more reactive. With the 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, this convertible grips the road confidently, distributing power intelligently between the front and rear axles. Rear axle steering helps the car feel smaller and more agile in tight spaces. making it easier to maneuver than many expect for a luxury roadster. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps with a soft glide while still keeping the car controlled and steady at high speeds. Even the exhaust note is refined, deep and elegant, never loud or harsh, keeping with the Maybach personality. Open the throttle, and the SL680 Monogram Series becomes a smooth, powerful wave. It's fast, but the acceleration feels controlled and cultured, like power wearing a tailored suit. Yet despite all performance and luxury, it's the personality of this car that stands out. It's bold, it's expressive. It's a convertible that takes luxury branding to the highest level, turning the monogram from a logo into a design language. The details are meant to be seen, admired, and celebrated. It's built not for those who want to blend in, but for those who embrace art, individuality, and presence. Some may find the monogram treatment extravagant. Others call the perfect embodiment of personalized luxury. But there's one thing no one can deny. This car makes an impression. It's an experience from the moment you walk up to it, the moment you sit in it, and especially the moment you drive it. As a complete package, the Mercedes-Maybach SL 680 Monogram Series isn't just a roadster. It's an expression of identity, craftsmanship, and performance wrapped in one unforgettable silhouette. Whether you see it as a fashion statement, a luxury masterpiece, or the boldest SL ever created, one thing is certain. It defines its own category. And for the few who will own it, it will be much more than a car. It will be a personal signature. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most expressive luxury roadsters in the world, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, share it with someone who loves cars, and subscribe for more exclusive and cinematic automotive reviews.